Why does your scanner show the P276A engine code? And what does it mean? P276A is a diagnostic trouble code for electric or auxiliary transmission, fluid pump B motor supply, voltage circuit, or open. This error code indicates catalytic converter conversion, efficiency below threshold, equivalent to the generic code P0420. Under these circumstances, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits in your vehicle. Bad wiring, loose connectors, failed auxiliary pump, worn catalytic converter, faulty oxygen sensor. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicle, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like the Mini and BMW. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.